you doing? I hope you're doing well. So today we are going to be doing maintenance. I'm going to be going to the salon, to plait my hair, do my nails, and I'm so glad to be taking you along. Yeah, I'm going with this princess here, though she's already sleeping because she's tired. And she's tired from just getting ready. Yeah, so let's go together, guys. I'm going to be taking you to my salon, my local salon, and then I show you what exactly we are going to be doing on this maintenance day. I'm excited. Come along. The trip to Salon was that short because it's not very far from where we live. We stay along in Table Road, and yeah, by this time we were already there, and we started with the washing of my hair. Yeah, that scrub felt really amazing, and as you're seeing me, I was trying to talk to some ladies in the salon because they were asking me what I was doing. Yeah, they didn't know what exactly I was trying to do. Yeah, because like a few of them know about this vlogging thing and they were quite confused, so I had to explain to them what exactly I was doing about the channel, our family channel. I also love how gentle this girl is with washing my hair. Yes, that scrub really felt amazing. Yeah, there are some salons where you will go and after washing your hair you feel like your head is hurting. Yeah, but whenever I go to this salon, like I always look forward to having that sweet scrub of my hair, and it really feels amazing. Yeah, so here she was detangling my hair so that when it is time for drying it is easy and my hair won't hurt me. Yep. So the next thing here that we are going to be doing is drying my hair. So yeah. So as we are drying the hair, meanwhile, the little princess is sleeping. And this surprised me. I thought she would be awake and disturbing us, but she was a very good girl and I love that for her. So she was resting as we were preparing to start the braiding. Yeah, so that was our very first braid and I couldn't wait to record it so that you can see that's how healthy my hair looked. And yeah, I was going to do braids because it's been a long time since I did my braids and I was very excited to see how it was going to turn out. Yeah, so let's start the braiding journey. So I bought myself some sneakers as well. Yeah, from a local hawker who came to the salon. As you can see, he had very many options for me, but I loved these ones. How do they look, guys? I love them. Yeah, and the fact that they were matching with my outfit, it felt really good. Yeah, we were doing some nails as well, so we had to multitask here. So that we could save time. They were doing my hair and they were working on my nails at the same time, and yeah, it's always a busy day, I'm telling you. So let's see how far we are with our hair as we are doing the nails. So we were almost done with the braiding here, and there were only a few strides remaining. Yeah, as you can see, that was how far we had gone. And we also used this time as our playtime with my princess. We were playing, like laughing, and we also had some snacks. Before going to Salon, this is what I actually had. I had 3 samosas and then an egg, so that is what I took for breakfast. This was her snack, the yogurt, but she wasn't letting me to record. I think she thought I was taking it away. Yeah, and before we knew it, the braids were done. So the ladies here were trying to chop off those things that always, go through the braids, just to make sure that they are perfect braids. So I love the length of my braids, and I love that they really had to keep time. As you can see right now, there were 3. They started. It is only one who started, and since we were actually keeping time, the rest joined in. So this is the final look of my braids. They really look amazing, as you can see. Rate me, guys, out of 10. How do you think these ladies did? I love how well aligned they are. They are not very long, since I have a baby to keep on pulling them, and they look really amazing on me. I also love the choice of color that I made. So this color blends well with my skin. Also, we were late for home because this baby girl had started crying, meaning she was tired. We were done with the nails. I got myself some shoes. Hey, it was an amazing day. And we had some good time at the salon. The fact that the ladies were actually also helping me out, as you can see in the background, they were helping me out to carry the little girl whenever she was tired of sitting. Ay, beautiful hair, amazing environment, good people. It was such an amazing day, and the highlight of this day was the scrub of my head. When I tell you this was my highlight of that day, you may not understand it unless if you are in my position. So I always look forward to this scrub because it feels like I'm in a whole new world. Really, it was really amazing. So that is how our salon day went. Yeah, at our local salon. So if you want me to be doing more of these vlogs, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'll be answering to your call. So if you tell me you want to see more vlogs of this kind, I'll definitely be uploading more of this. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, click the bell button so that you won't miss any of the uploads that we shall be bringing on this channel. Yeah, and from me to you, I will see you in the next video. See you guys.